Yeah. Like, I can't even show you guys how bad it's raining right now. Like, I can't open this door now. It's just soaking the whole back of the house. Like, this is just like going straight at us. Like, look at it pouring off the TV. Yeah. Oh, God. It's a bit of a mess. Yeah, it takes towels. Oh, come on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. This is what I gotta do when I come in. Is dry off this whole cover. Because it just sits here dripping on you. And it's not good for the TV. So I just got back. Getting soaked. I gotta unplug that. My hat weighs like a couple of freaking pounds right now. This is ridiculous. But my beard is dry. My beard is dry. My shirt, nope. Mm-mm. Like, this thing is just draping. Like, it's soaked. But my beard is dry. That ain't. That's a freaking mess. Yeah, we just got back. He's inside. We have a new campsite out. And I had to take him some tarps. But like, I couldn't drive the van in. I had to park the van and go frickin' jogging. Those boots are soaked. So now I'm back in my sneakers. I mean, they are soaked. But it was worth it. It always is. Well, not always. Just mostly. It's mostly worth it. It's almost always worth it. Every now and then you get a character that just wants to throw a monkey wrench into everything. Every now and then you get an a-hole. Yeah, I mean, you're gonna deal with that anyway. Like, if you go out in the friggin' society, in the public, you're gonna come across an a-hole. So, like, I don't see that as being, like, part of, like, the job. I just see that as just part of society. So, like, I don't blame it on the homeless population or on this population, this group, or that group. No, that's just a people thing. Some people are just a-holes. Some people just do it out of amusement. Like me. But some people are just dead ass serious a-holes. Like, and there's a difference. Done right, being an asshole is like a comedic fart. You know, it might not be in the best taste, but hey, you can't deny that it's fucking funny. Other assholes are just rotten assholes. Like, oh, it sounds like it's slowing down though. No, I don't. No. Whether it's being an asshole. I've gotten cold, like wet and cold. Got warmed up, gotten wet and cold again, got warmed up. I just got back from getting fucking drenched and cold. Still warm enough. Yeah, I'm chilly right now. Probably because I'm still wearing wet clothes. But there ain't nothing left dry. Yeah. I could put that one shirt back on, but I'd rather be wet and cold. I think it smells like a wet dog. I ain't putting that fucking shirt back on. I don't care if it's dry or not. No. I'd rather sit here and get friggin' pneumonia than have to smell that damn shirt. Speaking of which, I know there's medicine around here. Not sure. Okay. Oh well. He knows where everything is. Eventually I'll run back into her. Dude, I hit this point this week where I'm not going to go looking for her in that church. It's impossible. I went in there like 3 different times last week and went first floor, second floor, third floor, and didn't find her. Because when I'm going up one set of stairs, she's going down the other set of stairs. So it's like, unless you go in there hollering your full head off, you ain't getting her attention. So like, and I haven't felt good enough to be running around trying to chase her down like that. I know she can only go so long without a cigarette. So my new method is just sit and wait. She'll come around. Either she'll come around or somebody will come up to the door needing something. Either way. I either use it as a break. Baby!
I thought I had to take that out of the library. But I got one.
Oh, more towels. Good. Get in.
Yes. One's for you to sit your little butt on.
Yeah?
This one is a little bit dirtier, so that just
That can be a wiper.
that could be a wiper.
Well, here, take this one and I'll sit on the wiper. I'll sit on the dirty one. Because, like, I don't want the clean towel on the dirty floor.
Yeah. Well, it's cleaner.
Hey, cleaner is clean. Okay? Whatever the cleanest thing you got is, that's what's clean.
Yeah.
You know? I mean, clean's a relative scale.
Okay.
Oh, you spilled a drink.
Did I?
Did you?
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah. Either way, we're on the video.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you
I
guys?
didn't even do an intro.
Oh.
Welcome back again to the Loose Bago. Scott and Faye here.
Hello.
And Projecto.
And don't forget Projecto.
Do I have a dry hoodie anywhere?
I don't know.
Anywhere. Because this thing is just like draping off of me.
There probably is somewhere in the church. And I just came running out, so.
Yeah, I don't need you to go running back in. Dude, the roads are so bad right now.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, like, it's coming down too fast to drain. So everywhere's puddles. Like, everywhere's just like, you're creating waves, man. Just freaking spray.
Yeah.
I'd sit here complaining about it. Yeah.
Well, I figured the cleaner one could also be if you need to wipe yourself off.
What, dry myself off?
Yeah, dry yourself off.
I don't know where to put this. It's wet. I mean, it's wet. I think it's heavy.
There. You need to dry yourself off.
Are there any shirts that don't smell like wet dog?
I'll look.
Don't worry about it. You know, I'm pretty low down here.
Hi, Kneefoot. There probably are some dirtier ones.
Sorry, people.
Oh, you can wear this one.
Alright. I'll take it.
I will allow you to wear
Oh, thank you.
that one. Wear that.
Yeah, I'll straight up take your wife beater right now.
Actually, it's yours. It's actually yours. I stole it from you when it was upstairs.
I have a wife beater.
Yes, you have a couple of them. It's a little dirty, but yeah, that's yours. I could tell because when I had it on the other day.
When we went to the beach.
Yeah, I think
Okay. Yeah.
either that or when we were over by the hospital, Walmart.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, that's definitely yours. That would not. It hangs too low on me. That's one of Uncle Jim's.
Huh?
That's one of Uncle Jim's old hoodies
Is it?
that he gave me. Yeah.
Oh, thank you, Uncle Jim. Oh. Okay, that feels better.
Does it?
Yeah. Something dry? Dude. Oh, that is so much better. Oh. Man.
It is coming out. It's coming down out there.
I know.
It is.
Did you see the fountain coming out of the drain pipe at the end down
No.
here?
No.
Coming off that third floor?
Okay.
The downspout?
Yeah.
It's spraying up into the air
Great.
where it comes down and meets the underground pipe.
Yeah.
It's
great.
just spraying like a fountain. Which means I gotta sit there and roto-root that freaking entire drain pipe going out.
Yeah. I went upstairs and shut the windows. On this side, some of the windowsills are a little bit wet, so it's definitely
Coming this way.
Normally, when it rains, the other side
I know.
gets wet.
I know.
It's coming the other direction. It's like, oh, it's really dry over here.
Dude, like as soon as I open the door, even like this much, it's just straight coming in.
Oh yeah.
It's just.
Well, good. You know what?
Good.
Maybe that will make the air help make the air quality a little better. The air quality was kind of poor yesterday too.
Yeah.
The air quality was poor yesterday too.
It's been a rough week. Haven't been able to breathe. Like I'm all congested any effing way. Still from like a week and a half ago.
About a week ago.
And then we had a week of like that bad air. And like I just couldn't get this crap broken. And it's like I'm still coughing up all kinds of crap. But oh well. You got a light?
Oh,
I'm looking everywhere. I can't find one.
everything's under me.
Under your butt?
Yeah. I ran in real quick to try to get into the house.
You have a magnetic tushy.
Well, hey, on my behalf, we do have cushions, so when you sit on the cushions, no matter where stuff is,
It all just.
kind of falls down. So
I know.
yeah, I have a magnet.
How long is this supposed to be going on for?
I do not know.
You know that we're not going to get shit done tonight, right? You know, like, people are going to be coming out of the woodwork. You know that, right?
That's why I'm at least trying to get something done. I pretty much got all of the weekly stuff on the second floor done, other than the little lamb's room's normally good, the little nursery. Except for the table's going back into the library after the floor dries up.
The big table?
Yes.
Why?
I don't know. Lisa told me it's going back into the library, and she's finding new chairs to put in there.
Okay.
I guess so Skulls and them can sit around the table.
Okay.
But yeah, table's going back into the library.
How about we bring down those nice chairs from upstairs? The blues.
You can talk to Lisa. I think she had a thought of what to do. I think she might be getting some from Bear. I'm not sure. You have to talk to Lisa. We might be able to bring.
We got nicer chairs upstairs.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll just do it, take a picture of it, send it to her. That way she can actually see what they look like in the room.
Yeah. But yeah, I pretty much got all the weekly stuff upstairs now.
Okay.
But anyway, have you been keeping an eye on the time, mister?
Yeah. Mostly. Yeah, I mean, I got the counter going. So we're getting there with the Project Home set. We're getting there. It's coming together. It looked a little bland and rough there for a couple days.
Yeah.
But it's
But-
coming together.
Then again, we pulled everything out to paint. And then we started putting stuff back in, and it looked a little bare till we were. I was like, hold
Getting a
on,
little
wait a
further
minute.
along.
We have to put everything back in.
Yeah, you need all the props and the
Yeah,
set.
because it does. It looks bare.
I know. We still need some trees and some
Yes.
artificial plants.
Yes.
We need to fill it in some. Like, hey people, come on. I know you got an old Christmas tree sitting around that looks all haggard. Like, I don't care if it is haggard. It could be brand new in a box. I don't care.
Yeah, right. Brand new in a
Right.
box, something.
It doesn't matter how old, dusty, missing pieces it is.
Yeah.
We'll take it.
We'll take any of it.
Like, some of the branches that we had to take off of some of the bigger trees. We got them like individual little saplings, kind of filling in the ground.
Yeah. What we were thinking about was taking the rest of the ones that he took apart off the one tree to make another tree on the other side, because we made a couple of trees and put them on the wall on the one side, but then
Yeah, we've been taking one tree, taking all the freaking branches off of one side of it, and splitting it off and making multiple trees out of them.
because it was so big and thick.
Yeah.
And it still looks like you didn't really take anything off of it.
Oh, I know. But seriously, any artificial plants, even if they're not necessarily what you would think of when you think of the woods, yeah, we'll take them. Just not artificial flowers, because there's enough bright color up in that
Yeah.
already.
Yeah, with that green, there's definitely enough bright color up there.
Our entire rope is soaked.
Oh, I bet it is.
It is soaked. It was like hanging outside. It is drenched. Okay, that's not bad. You gotta leave some slack in it,
Yeah.
because when it dries, it'll tighten up.
Okay.
Dude, I did that one day. I put the wet motherfucker up, hooked it up over there. Didn't think about the fact that there's shrinkage when it dries. So, a couple hours later, I go to open the freaking door, and that fucking rope just like tightened up. And like there was no slack. I was like sitting there, come on! Had to pop it off of there.
And you're supposed to be the smart one. He's supposed to be the smarter of us, too.
Yeah, I know. And I locked myself in the house. I know.
We locked ourselves in the house like twice in 3 years.
Yo. I didn't whoopee cushion us.
That was funny.
Dude,
That was funny.
Faye was moving stuff around looking for something. And while she was doing that, a bag of freaking chips had like slid down underneath the backside of the cushion. She didn't notice it. And we're sitting here. About an hour later, she goes to scoot back and she popped that bag of chips underneath the cushion.
We both jumped.
We both jumped out of our skin, man.
What the heck was that?
Because that thing went off. It was like, boom! And we both jumped. I look over at her. I'm like, did you break the bed? The fuck just happened?
I was like, I don't think so. I don't think I broke the bed. It doesn't look like I broke it.
We started searching around. We found that exploded bag of chips. And we sit here laughing.
Well, I picked up the cushion because I wanted to make sure I didn't break the bed, the foundation of the bed. And that's
where we found the chips.
It was a small bag of chips. But when I went to go sit down, I literally
sounded like
popped
a bottle going off.
Popped it. It was actually popped open too.
It sounds like the rain's calming down a little.
Yeah, for right now.
For right this minute.
For right this minute, probably.
So yeah, Faye scared the crap out of us. That was like 4 days ago.
That's the first time in my whole life I have whoopee cushioned myself with a bag of chips.
She went to move, man. And boom! We both jumped out of our skin.
It was funny.
It was.
It was extremely
I gotta give her that one. It was pretty good. Hey, that's not a bad thing, man. That's.
Well, at least it was just a bag of chips,
Yeah.
and I didn't break
It
anything.
was a 50-cent bag of chips. Doesn't matter. It's just freaking hilarious. It's fun.
I'm just glad I didn't break anything.
Yeah. I mean, that's what it comes down to. Nothing
Yeah, exactly. Nothing broke.
broke. Nothing got hurt.
Nope.
Everything's fine.
Nothing got injured
Yeah.
or hurt
Not
or
even
broke.
us.
Nope. Scared the crap out of me, though.
Hey, look at that side of the house.
Yeah, look at our lights. It actually kind of looks kind of cool. We have to fix those.
Do we?
Yeah. It does look kind of cool, especially on the ceiling.
Yeah, I mean, with them just kind of going everywhere.
Yeah. It does look kind of cool.
Yeah, it's. Nah. It only got on my nerves when it like hung down and hit me in the head.
Yeah. That's all.
So I hung up that one piece. Other than that, like, I don't even mind it like that.
You do swing a lot, too. You swing around a lot
When I
you
sleep? Do I?
Yeah, that's probably why your knee hurts. All of a sudden, I'm like, you're turning
I'm
and go,
over-
boom, like right into the wall or something. I'm
Oh,
like,
no.
ow, that didn't even wake
Why?
me up.
Why do you think I'm going to put a padded wall around the bed in the bus? Because I know damn well I throw elbows. I know damn well I'm throwing knees. I know what. I know. I ain't the only one.
Your knees go into this, your knees go into here, your knees go into the wall.
Oh, I
so
know.
do your elbows. Like,
You headbutted the wall last night.
did I?
Yeah. You got up and were like, ow, fucker. I was over here and I was like, I didn't do it. But you didn't respond.
Maybe I was talking to the wall. I don't know. I
Sorry,
was
stuffy in here.
dead out. I didn't even know.
Yo, can we crack one of these windows?
Yeah. I was dead out. I didn't even know I did that.
Anyway, we're at 30. Alright, guys. Love yous. We'll see you later. I'll see you in the next. Try to be good to each other.
Yes. And stay dry.
Yeah.
It's wet out.
Yeah. Alright. No, I mean that. Be good to each other. And don't take offense to a-holes.
Yeah.
I mean, we're all a-holes from time to time. You know? There ain't no point in letting somebody else's bad mood or a shitty disposition screw with your day.
Or a bad day.
Yeah.
Don't let it screw with you.
Just remember, this is the day that the Lord has made.
Every single day.
It's a beautiful day.
Yep.
Don't let nobody take that from you. Not at all. Not even a little bit. It's a good day.
Yep.
Love you guys.
Love you.
Later.
Later.